everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the test 8 of our Aspire for Agriculture test series. Aspire for Agriculture test series. So we have already discussed till test 7 and today we will be discussing test 8 and specifically section A of test 8 will be discussed today and the section B of test 8 will be discussed tomorrow. So I hope you like these copy checking videos and copy videos of seeing these copies so that it can help you improve your answer writing skills, how to structure the answer, how to introduce, how to conclude. So all these things can be helpful to you. And one important thing I must say here that I will be just giving you an idea of all the important points, important structure of the answer. But if you want to read the answers in detail, you can simply pause the video and read it. It is up to you. Wherever you want to read, simply pause the video and read the answers. So let's start. The first question is, write a note on KVK highlighting the importance and shortcomings. So we all know what KVK is. That is Krishi Vigyan Kendra. There are as per student there are 731 KVKs in the country, which is good. And highest is in Uttar Pradesh, that is 89. First KVK was established in Pondicherry under Tamil Nadu Agricultural University. That I have mentioned. That could be also used if you are writing some facts to start. The importance of KVK has been mentioned. Agriculture technology transfer, training, consultancy service, promotion of allied activities, rural development. So, well written answer. Collaborations on farm testing, frontline demonstration, all these are the uh, importance of KVKs, or you can simply say the role of KVKs. It collaborates with state agriculture universities on farm testings are done by it. Now, what are its shortcomings? Obviously, limited reach and accessibility, less focus on small and marginal farmers. Although all these things have been mentioned, but I think if you have could added some data or anything to support this statement, that would be great. Inadequate infrastructure, because KVKs many times are made only to focus on the small and marginal farmers. So although there is some problem like this, but you should also although substantiate your points so that that looks good. Outdated services, shortfall in staff, lack of effective management, lack of transparency of channels, the related points. But one thing I must mention here, you can see the student has written too much. It is the first page, then it is the second page, then it is the third page. So I think for 10 marker, 2 pages are enough, or around 120, 150 words that will be enough, because in exam situation, you have to write a lot of questions. 19 questions have to be dealt by you in the agriculture optional, in which there will be 6 full answers. So you have to write in all 1326 page for this 13 short form 10 markers, and for 620 markers. Yes, and for 620 markers you have to write around, if you take 3 pages only, so 18 to 20 pages. So all in all you have to write 46, 47 pages in 3 hours, which in such a optional such as agriculture. So always try to be on the point and don't exaggerate too much in your answers, so that you do not take too much time in writing just one answer. So that should be kept in mind. Now the second question is, discuss the method of socio-economic survey of India. So what is, how can we do socio-economic survey? Obviously NSSO does it. First of all, in methods you can write about structural questions that can be asked. We can take the census data. We can take away administrative records. Steps have been mentioned, from objectives to validating feedback. Every step has been well mentioned. You can simply pause and read it. Objectives have been mentioned, gather and analyze data, taking policy decisions, the well written points. So this was question 2. If you want to read it, simply pause and read it. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is, discuss about some emerging technologies making agriculture extension more effective in India. So what are those emerging technologies that are making agriculture extension more effective? So those emerging technologies are digital platforms, obviously. So if examples of some digital platforms have been made, such as e-Kisan is there, that would be great. Remote sensing and GIS, obviously automated agriculture, IoT and sensors, artificial intelligence and big data. For example, here artificial intelligence have been mentioned. You should give example of artificial intelligence, the sense agree, another artificial farm gate to fork that enhances market intelligence. So all these things can be used to write in examples. Blockchain, sensor technology, robotics, blockchain examples, how it has been used in various states such as Jharkhand for seed supply. So examples could enhance the answer. Although that had been explained a bit here. Digital platforms such as e-Krishi Samadhan good. Then we have remote sensing and GIS, automated agriculture, IoT. So that we have just discussed about. You can simply pause and read it. So here most you should try to do write about the data and just give examples. That would be enhanced your that could enhance your answer, because writing too much of literature is not required. That I have mentioned here in 14 Jharkhand in horticulture seed supply. It can be used in seed supply. So well points. Number drone example of number drone has been given. So well points. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is discuss the importance of indigenous technical knowledge. So what is indigenous technical knowledge? That is the technical knowledge present in the local forms. Okay. So that is what indigenous technical knowledge is. Some examples is such as uh, hanging the dead frogs in rice field to attract and kill rice bugs. Okay, so that is our what technical it is, but it is local. Spraying cow dung mixed with water to control thrips. So in points you can simply pause and use it. Neem based things are used to protect from insects. Importance have been mentioned. Sustainability, obviously, lower production costs, local decision making, community well-being, innovation. So wait and points you can simply pause and read it. Although you should miss the conclusion here, so you should never miss these things. Please try to always conclude, either write a single line only, but do conclude. That is necessary. Now discuss the role of NGOs in agriculture extension using suitable examples. So you all know what NGOs is. What are its role in agriculture extension? Obviously, access to resources, training and education, market access to new technologies such as Namo drone Didi sim. So that is good. Namo drone Didi sim. Then we have provision of mechanization of agriculture, such as Hindrise Foundation is there. So very little points. All the points have been very nicely discussed. So that looks good. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is digital green IF. So that should be can be added to your answer. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is discuss about evaluation in extension and discuss its importance and methods. So evaluation that is evaluate the performance of our extension services. So why it is important? Obviously, to ensure accountability, to identify new areas of improvement, providing the ideas regarding suitability. So all these are good points. You can simply pause and read this if you want to. Methods have been mentioned such as expert model, goal-free model, attainment of objective model, management decision model, naturalistic model. So all these are the methods of extension only, or you can say evaluation in extension only. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is what is expert system and discuss its use in ICT in agriculture extension. So what expert system is a computer program that uses AI to mimic the judgment of expert in a specific field. So here AI is being used to mimic the judgment of expert and give decisions, give some solutions to farmers. Okay. Now its characteristics have been mentioned. Can last forever, distribution to human expertise, out compete knowledge from multiple human experts. So well written points. Now components have been mentioned. There is knowledge base, interference engine, knowledge acquisition, and learning module. User interface is there. Explanation model is there, such as dendral, mycene. So well written points. And you can say here use of ICT have been mentioned in detail. Examples of AgriSet, GPS, GIS, ePest app. So all these things are mentioned. ENAM, Monovi time to market app. So written eEqua, sample centers are there, Annadata is there. So very well written points. Now next question is write a note on Atma highlighting its key function in rural agriculture. So what Atma is? Atma, you all know that agriculture technology management agency. Its key functions have been mentioned, such as the strategic planning, networking and coordination, information management, farmer empowerment, market intervention, technology transfer, capacity building, institutional establishment, extension system strengthening. So, written points. You can simply pause and read it if you want to. So, this was today's copies, and you can see how good student has concluded by highlighting adult tinkering, Lang, and Atma collaborations. That could be very good. So, very well written points. I hope you have read the points wherever you wanted to read by pausing the video. And brief, I wanted to just give you a structural idea. All these things have been taught by me in static videos and various answer writing videos. So you can cover the conceptual parts from there. It is for just a structural part because how students are writing in exam time. So that would give you a better understanding. Okay. So that is all for today. If you like it, please press the like button. Please do share and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to bring such courses for you. And if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you regular basis. That is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.